Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techmatic Bhavesh. Today we are going to learn how to remove a background in Canva and later change the background. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel, like and comment. So let's start the topic. You can see that here I am on board on my Canva dashboard. Here you can see that I have logged in already. So you have to first log in your Canva dashboard. Here you can see a design spotlight. Here in design spotlight you can see the photo editor. Click on the photo editor. This is the free online photo editor. You can upload the image or the photo you want to change the background. So I am uploading a reference image, upload image. Then this is the image I want to change the background. Click it, upload it. Now the image is already uploaded. First of all I have to do is to change the size. To resize the image I have to crop it. Let it crop it. After image is uploaded, the first thing is have to do the resizing your image. So let's crop it and resize. Okay. Now click on the photo and click on the edit photo. You can see the BG removal. The BG removal tool is help to remove the background. So I have to click BG removal. Once you click the BG removal, you can see that the image background is going to be removed smoothly. Now it's done. You can see the background is completely removed from the photo. Okay. Now I have to select the background I want to apply. So I will go to elements and search the background type. I am using the background is beach. Okay. So I will search the beach background, select the photos. There, select any photo that you want to use as a background. Select any photo that you want to use as a background. For example, I have select that, and you have to click the right and click on set as image as background. Set image as background. You are done. Your background is completely changed. You can enlarge or shrink the photo. You can either you can image large or short the photo. For example, you want to change another background. You want to replace this background. Click on the another image. Then I have select this beach background. I have to replace it. Click on the right and replace the background. Now it is done. You can enlarge a photo as per your requirement. And you are done. You can edit the photo, adjust. You can send the you can change the temperature, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, color, vibrance. Okay, all thing you can do from here. For example, I want to change it to another. Adjust brightness. Okay, contrast, effect. You want to apply the filters, select from here. This is a Presto. This filter, you can apply this filter. After you have done, you can download the image. Always apply PNG file type for better resolution. For better image, you have to apply PNG format and download. You are done. Okay, so this is very simple steps in Canva. You can remove the background and change the background as well. So guys, if you liked my video, please like, subscribe. You can edit the photo